So what do you think, Emily? Here I look what the cat drug in, gets this big old honking thing, and now I'm got it in truck number 4, I believe, in my lineup. And yeah, what am I gonna do with it? Got any clues?
Not any clue at all.
Well, I've got enough piles of dirt down there that maybe I could haul you some dirt up to your rock ranch.
There we go. Well, but just a little 5 yards.
At a time, that's it. You'll get into those tight spaces, though.
Yeah, that's right. You never know what Dad's gonna be up to next.
Yeah, bringing this thing home was definitely one of the more sketchy things that I've done, loading it on that trailer. It was it's still feeling some adrenaline on that one. Now I gotta unload it, but what I'm going to do is to take the truck down this ramp, even though it's kind of muddy, and I'll unload it on this hill so I don't have quite the drop with the tilt deck trailer. So as you can see, I got the little Jewel home and got it unloaded, put it in its parking spot, and I just hope that I can do something with it. It's got a bad engine. It's got a lot of water in the oil, which is not good. That can cause some real problems. And it's gonna be a challenge. It's really iffy if it's worth fixing the engine or not, putting the money into it. I mean, it's a cute little truck. It's definitely got some useful, you know, purpose if I get around to fixing it and using it. It's so short coupled that it'd be nice to pull a trailer into some of these tight spots. Here in rural Oregon, it's well, as you can see, there's Grayback Mountain right up there. It's everything. In fact, I got a job right up in that area coming up, and so, you know, a handy little short wheelbase thing to pull your trailer, your excavator, your skid steer around with would be handy. But anyway, it's a project, and the motor is tucked up underneath the cowling. It's got a dog house in it that you have to get in if you want to service the back part of the motor. Probably the problem is probably a liner that's they get cavitation and causes corrosion, and the liner gets thin in the piston, and the water gets into it. And yep, kind of takes them out. I've had two of the same engines that I've had to replace the liners in, and it's not a real cheap fix. But anyway, it's cute, it's short. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.